Hi, friends. Welcome back. It's been a while since Miss Robin has seen you. I know you guys are enjoying the lives with Miss Seymour, so that's really great. But for our Explore Math, I wanted to go over the new vocabulary with you guys for I think it might be chapter 3, Math in the Community. So I just wanted to go over the new words with you all and just record this short video. I'm going to try to keep it short. I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, and let's look at our words here. Our new words are comparison shopping, debit card, internet, sale, and withdraw. Again, number one, comparison shopping, that's a mouthful. Number two, debit card. Three, internet. Four, sale. And five, withdraw. So we'll start here with comparison shopping, which means to shop for the lowest cost by comparing price. So sometimes you might be out with your parents and let's say mom wants to make a big roast for dinner. Food Lion might have their pot roast on sale for $1 a pound, and Harris Teeter might have it on sale for maybe $2 a pound. So of course you're going to compare, and you want to go where you get the best quality, but you also want the best price. So we can do that with foods. We can do that with clothing. Sometimes I know young people, you guys are into fashion, sneakers, and jeans and different things. So you might like the jeans that they sell at American Eagle, and you might also like the ones that they have at Old Navy. But because you like both, you're going to go with the one that's got the best price. So that's called comparison shopping. You're kind of checking out both prices, both places to try to get the best, the most bang for your buck. Okay, the next word is debit card. And some of you might have a debit card. I know your parents should have one or do have. So that is a card that acts like a check. So a person can withdraw money from his or her checking account. I grew up at a time where, I always saw my grandmother write out a check. I didn't know anything about a debit card or a bank card. And a lot of old people are still, kind of that way. They deal with writing out the checks as opposed to having the debit card, which is the same thing. It's just if you're at Food Lion or Walmart or wherever or Target and you purchase something and the total is $15. If you don't have cash, and instead of taking out your checkbook and writing a check, you can just take out your debit card and swipe it or either insert it because a lot of them have the little chips on it and it will deduct the money from your checking account the same way it would with a paper check. So it's a lot more convenient for most people. Okay, and our third word is internet, which you guys are totally familiar with, which is a network that lets people get information using a computer or other electronic device. We can get the internet on our phones, on our iPads, and of course, on the desktop or either the laptop. The search engine I know I use a lot of the time is Google, but it's like with the world at your fingertips. If there's anything that you're curious about, it's like how much does the average elephant weigh? You can type that in to Google, what they call the search engine on the internet, and your answer will come up. So it has really transformed the way we take in information, the way we learn things. When Miss Robin was coming up, I had to use something called an encyclopedia. Yeah, it's a book, and I had to use, like, if you had to do a report or something, there was that bound hard copy of, a book that you'd have to look up whatever it was you needed information on. There was no such thing as the internet. And so, but now the world is at your fingertips, guys. If it's anything you're curious about, the internet is the way to find out. Good things, though. Okay, number four, sale, which means to sell at a lower price. So you notice I used the word sale twice, but listen carefully because they're pronounced differently. SALE is sale. SELL is to sell. Okay. A sale SALE, like a yard sale. That's a noun. That is somewhere, that is a place where you exchange goods for money. Your parents could have a yard sale. They could be selling old sweaters or old items, blankets or different things in the house that they don't use anymore. Sometimes furniture, whatever. That is a sale. It is an exchange of goods for money. You're exchanging goods for money. To sell, SELL, is a verb. It is an action. It's like kind of the same thing. That one's really tricky. We won't dive into that one too much, but that is a verb, to sell at a lower price. It is still money being exchanged, but SALE is the noun and SELL is the verb. And I hope I didn't confuse you. If so, I'll clarify later. And number 5, withdraw, which simply means to take money out of a bank account. You can go in, well, with COVID, we probably don't go into the bank much anymore. We are able to maneuver funds between accounts over the phone, over the computer, however, but to withdraw is just to take money out. When we get paid or when we're saving, we put money in to our account, we deposit. But to withdraw means to take it out. Yeah, so you can have money in your pocket or you withdraw for bills or whatever. Or back to what we said when you use that debit card. When you put the debit card in and it reads the chip, or either you swipe it, you're withdrawing money from your account. So withdraw means to take out. Okay, guys, I hope that will clarify. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. It's just a little information before we dive into chapter 3. Take care. Love you. Bye bye.